second quarterfinals here from this one. So it means these are the choose of these games here from this one. So between India versus China, so it means so quarterfinals here from this one. So winning from this one. So what do you think of this one in this video clips here? So let's see of this one. Hello everyone. So I'm sorry I got allergic rhinitis and I'm something my cloud nose because very dusting here from this one. And also have a analyze of these games here. The tournament is FIDE Women's World Cup 2025. So it means today is the second of quarterfinals here from this one. So how many clocks of this one in this chess clocks here, or within 1 hour, 30 minutes and 30 seconds increment here from this one is called long game or round robin here from this one. So if you win of this one in this quarterfinals, we'll proceed of this next semifinals in this top four here from this one. Or if you lose of these quarterfinals, we'll eliminate by knockout of these tournaments here from this one. So in this quarterfinals here from this one, and also between from this grandmaster in India is Hampi Conero versus from a international master in China is Yu Shin Song. So it means 19 years old from this girl here, from this teenage girl here from this China here from this one. So so it means two games analyzed here from this one. So after first game, later we'll next game two from this quarterfinals. So in this part of these videos here from this one, and also have a analyze of these chess games in this FIDE Women's second quarterfinals. So white plays Conero is c4, English opening knight f6 Yushin, knight f3, e6, and also g3, or maybe g3 are moved by next by bishop to g2 or upcoming ready by castling. So it means without ready castling here from this one, and also d5 is called English opening Neo-Catalan defense here from this one. So these are the main lines is used by pawn to g6 and or maybe knight to c6. So it means two main lines here from this one. So Yushin moves by d5 is called Neo-Catalan's defense here from this one, and also bishop g2 by Conero by ready by castling kingside here from this one, and capture this pawn, and queen a4 check with idea by check, and by catching attacks these pawns here from this one, and also knight bd7 without defense, and queen takes captured pawn. So it means these are the captured by pawns here from this one, and also a6 by Yushin with idea to move by pawn to b5 or attack by queens here from this one, and also queen backward c2, and also c5, knight c3, queen c7, and also d4 by ready by captured by pawns, and also b5 by Yushin by follow up by move by push to b4 or attack these knights here from this one, and also bishop f4 by follow up with a follow threatening by queens here from this one without attacks by queens here from this one, and also queen a7. So it means these are the queens behind the rooks here from this Yushin here from this one, and also push d5 here by pushes by pawns, and knight takes captured, good move by Yushin by attacking this one or with idea to attack this bishop targets and threatening by knights or capture this one, determinations here from this one, and knight takes captured, pawn takes knight, and also e4 without or maybe without captured here from this one, and doesn't want captured is because push to d4. So So for example, why don't we try capture this pawn? Takes by d takes e4, and also queen takes e4 check, or maybe with the idea to bishop to e7. So it means these are the slightly betters from these examples here. So it means the back there is, so Yushin doesn't want capture because push to d4 by Yushin, and also a4 by Hampiconero, attacking this pawn and ignoring by Yushin b4 here from this one. And also e5 and bishop to b7. So it means bishop b7 is novelty by Yushin of this game. So these are the old main line here is good novelty is bishop to e7, or maybe here by knight backwards b8. So these are a first or second novelty. So back third novelty is bishop b7 by Yushin Song here from this one, and castle kingside, and also bishop e7 without good move by Yushin Song, or upcoming by ready by castling kingside here from this one, and also push to e6 here by Onero, or with the idea to attack these knights or capture this pawn. So it means these are threatening by two pieces here from this one, and capture this pawn because these are the weakest pawns here from this one, and rook fe1 with the idea to attack these pawns or the next threatening by bishop. These are the controls here from this one. And castle kingside, these are the problems by complaining by angry by stockfish in this computer. So what do you think was saying from this one? You are blunders, vario, castle, kingside. This is a not correct. So it means the computer said here from this one. So it means, so castling does not one of this castle kingside. So it means double question mark blunder ratios. So the one's computer here from this one, the best moves is a currency is knight to f8 with the idea to develops by pawns. So these are the develops here from this one, slightly better from blacks. So it means, so why castling kingside by blunder ratios? So Conero, rook takes captured. One pawn down by Yushin with the idea to next targets by bishops here from this one, and also bishop f6 and battery rook a e1 without battery here from this one, and rook a c8 and bishop d6 with the idea to with the threatening by rooks here from this one. So it means does not want of this computer engine by bishop d6. So the one's computer here from this one, the best moves is queen to c4 with the idea by pins by checks here from this one. These are continuations. I'm something I cannot breathe my throats here. So back there this bishop t6 by threatening by rooks, and queen a8. So it means bad move by Yushin. So the best moves there is rook to fd8. So it means without 8th rank here. So it means rook fd8 here. So back there this one is queen a8 by Yushin Song here from this one, and bishop takes captured without one rook down by Yushin, and knight takes captured without idea by threatening by rooks here from this one, and sacrifice by brilliant but wrong sacrifice. So the best moves there is rook 6 e2. So it means rook 6 e2 here from this one. So it means best moves by backwards. So rook takes captured sacrifice. So it means x by sacrifice and capture this pawn, and also queen f5. So it means another x move by Conero. So the best moves there is queen c4 check again. So it means queen c4 check again if with the idea to move by bishop to d5 without develops here from this one, or maybe without slightly betters from blacks. So back there is queen f5, and Rook c7 without good move by Yushin Song here from this one, or with the idea to move here by without move by Rook f7 here from this one, and queen takes captured, and also Rook f7, another good move by Yushin Song with the idea by threatening by queens here, or targets attacks by queens. And also Queen g5 check, and develops Knight g6 here by knight, so it means bad move. So the best moves is Rook develops by Rook's g7 without threatening by g7, or without develops here by Rooks develops by kings here from this one. So it means, so back there is Knight g6 by develops, and Conero Knight h4 without threatening by knights, or attack these knights here from this one. And bishop takes captured, and knight takes captured. So why don't we try knight takes captured bishop? So what do you think? So because these are without ideas here from this one, so it means without decided here. So these are examples. So it means knight takes g6 here by captured here from this one, and rook g7, and knight e7 check without good move by Conero, or without check. So these are check here from this one. And also king h8, queen e5, and also bishop to h3 by Yushin Song, and also knight d5 by Conero with the idea to move by here by knight to c7, or attack threatening by queens here from this one. And also d3, knight f4. So it means without good precise by Conero, or without threatening by pawns, or the next by threatening by pawns here from this one, first or second. And also bishop g4, knight takes captured without first idea by second, targets by pawns here from this one, and h6 by Yushin, knight takes captured, and also bishop h3, h3 here from this one, and queen e8 check, and Yushin accept takes, rook takes check, and also king h7, pawn f4, wait, flawless, rook c7, with idea by threatening by knights, or threatening by knights here from this one, and rook e5 develops by good move by Conero, and king g6, king f4, king must be active, and rook c6, rook d5, and bishop f5, and also a5, h5, without h5 here, and also king e3 by king must be active, and king f6, with idea by, I don't know what is that meaning of by moves, and also knight e4 check, and also bishop takes captured, king takes bishop, and also king g6, h3 with idea by move by g4, or attack these pawns here from this one, and rook e6 check, and also rook e5 ignoring rook d6, and also g4 captured, and also king f6, rook d5 and ignoring by check, and also king f3, rook c6, and rook d4 without defense, or not. So it means threatening by pawns here from this one, or threatening attacks by pawns. And also king e6, rook takes captured, and also king d5, and also the last shot, this one, g5 without move by threatening by, without move by push, or promotes by queen, so it means resigns by international master Yushin Song. So it means why? Because upcoming there's this here from this one by promotes queen, so it means unstoppable by pawns here, so it means lose from blocks here. So winning from this one, Humpy Conero. So the score by Humpy is 92.0, and score by Yushin 86.7. So the next second games here from this one. So it means quarterfinals. So let's see of these games. So the next second games here from this one in the second quarterfinal. So it interchanged by whites and blacks here from this one, from rotations here from this one. And also in this part of this videos here, we have analyzed of these chess games in the second quarterfinals game 2. So white plays Yushin is d4, d5 Conero, knight c3 is called Shikurin variation from Queen's Pawns opening, and also knight f6, bishop f4, and e6. So it means without e6 by develops here from this one, and knight b5, knight b5, or maybe without attack by here, threatening by pawns, and second, knight threats by pawns, or maybe without attacks by pawns here, without or maybe by check. So these are checks here from this one, and also knight a6 develops by pawns here from this one, and e3, and also c6 by threatening by knights, and go back knight c3, and queen b6, all with idea by develops or attacks by pawns. So it means threatening by pawns here from this one, and also a3, and also c5. For example, so if you try by queen takes captured pawns here from this one, queen takes b2. So what do you think from this one, and queen to b1? So if you try by threatening by accepting by check, and also rook takes b1. So these are examples here from this one. So examples by develops here. So back there is c5 by here by Conero, and knight f3. Oh, without knight f3 here from this one, and bishop d7, or so I don't know by idea by canceling queen side here from this one, and also rook b1 by develops by pawns, and bishop d6, or maybe without bishop pairs, or attack by bishops here from this one, or by idea by castle kingside by Conero here from this one, and also knight e5 by Yushin Song, and knight b8, with idea by move by knight to c6, or attack by knights, or maybe knights threatening by bishops. So I don't know what develops here from this is one from determinations. And also bishop e2 by Yushin by ready by castling kingside here from this one, and a6 by no more by knight to b5, or bishop to b5, and castle kingside by Yushin, and also queen c7, and also queen f3. Oh, queen f3. Okay, so it means queen f3 here from this one, and castle kingside, and also queen d2, and knight c6, or maybe without attacks by attack from this one from knight c, or without attack by bishop with the next by threatening by bishops here, and also knight takes captured, and bishop takes captured. So it means bishop takes captured from this one is first bad move by Conero. So it means that's not one of this computer. So the best moves there. So the one's computer, this one is queen takes captured knight. So etc, etc. These are the slightly betters from blacks. So back there is bishop takes captured, and pawn takes captured. Good move by Yushin, threatening by bishop. Threatening by bishops here from this one, and bishop takes captured. Good move by Conero. Pawn takes captured. So it means pawn takes captured, and d4. Without idea by threatening by knights here from this one. So it means novelty by Conero. So it means out of this booklet. So these are the old main line here. Good novelty is rook to ad8. So rook ad8 here from this one. So it means rook ad8. It's an old main lines here from this one. So it means back novelty is push to d4 but without threatening by knights or targets here from this one, or develops here, and also queen takes captured, and bishop takes captured. Good move. Oh, without good move here from this one, and pawn takes captured. These are same by knights here from this one, or same by knights. And rook 88, or maybe with idea by threat by queens here. Threatening by queens here from this one, and queen e5 without queen to queen, and ignoring by Conero queen c6. So queen c6 here. So if you try, why don't we queen takes accepted? And also pawn takes captured with idea by threatening by knights here from this one, and decided this one knight to e5. If you capture this one, pawn takes and captured. Or maybe here by rook takes captured. Without idea by threats by same by pawns here from this one. So see, these are the examples. So queen c6 by ignoring by Conero, and queen backwards e3, knight d5 without good move by Conero, or idea by threats by queens, and attacks these knights here from this one, and knight takes captured, good move, and rook takes captured. Without good foresights by Conero, and also b4 without good move by Yushin, and battery rook fd8, and rook b3. With idea by move by here by rook to d3 here from this one, and also queen b5 and king g2 and h6. So it means without h6. So the idea here, these are the weakened triple pawns by 3 pawns, or doubles by triples here from this one. These are the weak pawns here from this one, and also rook c1, rook d4, and rook c5, and rook 8 d5 without battery. Without battery here from this one, or continuations. And rook b1, repeat, and queen d7. Without triples. Tripled by doubles rooks and behinds the queens here from this one. And also rook bb3 without third rank, or without move by decided. This one is rook d3 here from this one, and also rook d2 and rook d3. Without blocking by covering by rooks here from this one, and rook takes captured pawn. Why don't we try rook takes d3. So rook takes to d3 here from this one, or threatened by queens here from this one, and rook takes captured. If you capture this one, captured, queen takes captured, and rook takes captured, and pawn takes captured. These are the martial pawns. So these are the martial pawns here from this one, or blacks, and these are the same by complete by pawns here. So complete here by martial pawns here. So complete spawn, or without 7 by black pawns here from this one. So it means rook takes captured by pawns by Conero here from this one, and rook takes captured, pawn takes captured, and king g3. So it means question mark. So it means bad move by Yushin Song. So the best moves there is one is rook to c3. Rook to c3 here from this one. So if you capture this, rook takes captured, and queen takes c3. So it means same by queen to queens here from this one. These are the slightly betters here. So slightly betters from this one. So back there is king g3 and queen c6. So it means X move by Conero. So the best moves there is one is d4. So d4 without threatening by queens here from this one, or if you decided this one is queen d3. So these are the slightly betters here from this one. So these are continuations, or without slightly betters. So queen c6 by Conero, and queen d3, and rook to c4, and also queen f5. Queen f5 here from this one, and also push d4, and queen d3, and queen g6 check, and except by Yushin queen takes and pawn takes, because these are the weakest double pawns here from this one. And also f5, and also rook c3, and also ignoring rook b2. So because these are the rook to rooks, because ignoring by Yushin Shong, and takes king f4 with idea by threatening by pawns here from this one. And also rook takes captured, king takes captured pawns, and also d3, and also king e4 without idea by attacks these pawns here from this one. And also king f8, and also king d4, and d2, rook takes captured. How many pawns? So how many pawns? So it means 5 pawns by Yushin and 4 pawns by Konero. So it means 5 versus 4 here from this one. So it means, so rook takes captured pawns, 4 pawns, same pawns here from this one, and king d5, and also king e7, king must be active, and also c6, captured check, king takes, rook f5, and also rook d7 check. Rook d7 check here from this one, or check. So these are without, if you king without idea by here by move to rook d7, or without check here from this one. So it means, I'm sorry, I forgot my thinking, my realization. So it means rook d7 check by Yushin, and also king f8, rook a7 by Yushin by threatening by pawns, or attack these pawns here from this one, and also rook f4 by Konero with idea by threatening by pawns, or threatening by pawns here by attack 2 pawns here from this one. And also king c5, rook f5 check, and king c6, rook f4, and repeats from this one, repeat 3 repetitions. So it means draw by game number 2. So it means draw from this one. So the score from this one, accuracy 96.9 by Yushin Song, and black pieces accuracy 97 points. So the score from this one in this quarterfinal, so it means, so 1.5 and 0.5. So it means, so Yushin Song is a knockout from this eliminate of these games here from this one. Congratulations, winner from Grandmaster Hampi Konero from India. Hampi Konero was proceed of this next semi-finals from this top 4 here from this one. So let's see of these final results after the quarterfinals from this one. Oh, so these are the here from this one. Wait, it's from this one. So it means, these are the determinations here from this one. What is the next here from this one? Okay, wait. Okay, so these are the here from this one. So 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 it means, so Lei Tenchi from score from 2, and Nana Zagnizi 0. So Lei proceed from the semifinals, and Hampi Conero score 1.5, and Yusin Song 0.5. So Hampi Conero was proceed from the semifinals, and Vaishali score 0.5, and Tanzongi 1.5. So it means win from Tansongi. So Tansongi was proceed of the semifinals. And also Grandmaster Harika 1 points, and Divya Deshmukh 3 points. So winning by Divya Deshmukh what was proceed of the semifinals. So it means top 4 of the semifinals here from this one. So next game from this one, the first from analyzed by Grandmaster Lei Tinchi versus Grandmaster Hampi Conero. So after that, so the second semifinals between Grandmaster Tanzongi versus International Master Divya Deshmukh. I hope that this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Logi17, aka I Cool Mark 17. Have a good day and keep safe, and keep updates of this next chess updates. Bye bye.